Starting off with tennis, Jamaica's Randy Phillips will face Christian Tam, while Bicknell will take on Jurgen Zopp when the World Group 2 Davis Cup playoffs gets going at the Eric Bell Tennis Centre tomorrow. Group 2 is no longer unfamiliar territory for the 69th ranked Jamaicans as they get set to take on the team ranked 10 places above them in Estonia at the World Group 2 qualifiers at the Eric Bell National Tennis Centre. Roland Randy Phillips will have to topple Estonia's top-ranked player in his first matchup when he takes on Christian Tam, but the 29-year-old isn't feeling too much pressure heading into his opener.
I think we have the ability to step up to the occasion. Like you said, I mean, we've been up in Group 2 now. This is our third time in a row, essentially, so we've been there as well. You know, it's not like a new feeling for us, so we're not necessarily, it's not a new experience to us, so we're ready for it.
Coach Mel Spence is similarly confident and is feeling particularly good about Phillips' chances.
I like what I see, especially on the Jamaican side. Randy will be playing their number one player first, and I like his chances against him. We've watched these guys practice extensively, so we have good notes on them, as I'm sure they do have on us, and it's going to be a good battle.
Tam himself isn't taking his opponent lightly, having admitted he doesn't know much about the Jamaican.
Yeah, we hope so. Let's see tomorrow, because they're a tough team, so it's not going to be easy, but we will do our best. Tam
is the higher-ranked player, but he's citing the old adage that the game isn't played on paper, while Phillips isn't paying too much attention to the rankings either.
The ranking is not really something that concerns us too much. Especially tennis, you know, it's a very individual sport, so, you know, we have our good players, they have their good players. It's about winning on the day. The ranking really doesn't mean anything to us.
The rankings in Davis Cup doesn't matter so much because the crowd is affecting a lot, and there are many other factors that can change in the match of tennis. So,
as for the new surface at the National Tennis Centre, Coach Mel Spence thinks it will facilitate great play.
I'm extremely pleased with the court. It's bouncing the way we like it. Those guys have similar game styles, so I'm sure they'll like it too, which will, as I said, we'll have a fantastic match.
Jamaica's number one player, Bicknell, was not at the draw after arriving in the island just hours before, but did get a training session in on Friday. He'll go up against Jurgen Zopp in his matchup. Tennis Jamaica president John Azar is promising a world-class experience for the fans who turn out.
The venue is going to be unrecognizable, even to people who saw it as recently as 48 hours ago. Thank God we have a world-class court facility, we have world-class lighting, we have seating for far more than the National Tennis Centre has ever housed before. We're just hoping people come out in their numbers. We want the atmosphere to be loud, we want it to be electric. You know, team competitions are always very special in terms of that, so we're looking forward to good things.
The playoffs will conclude on Sunday with the playing of the doubles matches.